The argument from naturalism makes one bold claim. Science can explain everything. No gods, no spirits, no hidden forces. Only matter, energy, and natural laws shape the world we observe. Naturalism rests on two ideas. First, only the physical world exists. Second, every event has a natural cause. Together, they form a closed system where science is the only path to real knowledge. Look at the track record. Science explained lightning, disease, planets, and evolution. Each mystery once blamed on the supernatural now has a clear, testable, natural answer. The pattern keeps repeating. Naturalists call this the God of the gaps problem. When people cannot explain something, they fill the gap with a god. But the gaps keep shrinking as science advances. The shrinking gap is the warning sign. Science works through a strict method. You observe, form a hypothesis, run experiments, and check results. Naturalism says this method is enough. No other source of knowledge has matched its success. Consider the mind. Once thought to be a soul, the mind is now mapped to neurons, chemicals, and electrical signals. Brain scans show thoughts as physical patterns. Naturalism predicts this, and the evidence keeps arriving. What about morality and meaning? Naturalists say these come from evolution, culture, and human cooperation. Not commandments from above, but tools that helped our ancestors survive and live together. Critics push back. They ask, can science explain consciousness, beauty, or why anything exists at all? Naturalists answer that hard questions are not proof of magic. They are open problems waiting for natural answers. Naturalism also values testability. A claim must be checkable, repeatable, and possible to prove wrong. Supernatural claims often fail this test because nothing observable could ever count against them. Naturalism is also humble. It says, we do not know yet. Unlike systems that claim final answers, science updates with new evidence. The willingness to be wrong is the engine of progress. Put together, the argument is simple. Science keeps working. Supernatural claims keep retreating. The most reasonable view is that nature is all there is, and natural explanations are enough. So the argument from naturalism rests on track record, testability, and humility. It does not prove the supernatural is impossible. It argues that science is the best tool we have, and so far, nothing has come close.